Hi everyone, welcome back to this new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the battery, RAM, hard drive and thermal paste in the HP Pavillion G6 1350 series laptop. So, let's begin. Alright, first off, let's replace the battery. To do this, close your laptop, flip it over. Now this slider right here, just push it to this side and the battery pops right out. And that is how you get to the battery of your HP Pavillion G6 1350 series laptop. Alright, now let's replace the RAM and hard drive. I'll be doing these in the same segment since they are located in the same compartment. So, to do that, close your laptop, flip it over, remove the battery. Now remove these two screws right here. Alright, now with those screws removed, this whole cover can just be lifted out like so. Now your RAM is located right here. Just take it out like so, these clips to the side and then it comes out at an angle. And then your hard drive is located right here. You can just take it out like so, unplug the hard drive, and then your hard drive is out as well. And that is how you get to the RAM and hard drive of your HP Pavillion G6 1350 series laptop. Alright, and now let's replace the thermal paste, CPU and CPU cooler. To do this, close your laptop, flip it over, and remove the battery. Now remove these two screws right here and take off this panel. Now remove the circled screws. Alright, now remove the optical drive. And now flip your laptop back over again. Alright, and then you can remove the keyboard. Removing the keyboard is done by pressing up against these little tabs which push the keyboard down up here. After you've pushed them all inwards, the keyboard just pops out like so. Now you need to remove this ribbon cable right here. Just pull up on this. And then the keyboard comes right out. Now remove these connectors right here. So this one, this one, and this one. Now remove this screw right here and this screw right here. Also remove this ribbon cable right here. And then this whole top cover can just be removed. Now remove this display cable up here. Like so. Remove this cable down here for the hard drive. Remove this speaker cable under this tape right here. Remove this ribbon cable right here. Now remove this screw down here. Alright, now close your laptop again, flip it over, remove the RAM. I've already removed the RAM, and remove this Wi-Fi card right here by first unplugging the cables and then removing this screw right here. Now you can just take out the Wi-Fi card, and that is how the Wi-Fi card comes out. Now flip your laptop back over again. Now remove this cable right here. Now close your laptop again, flip it over, remove this cable right here for the hard drive, and remove the hard drive itself. Now flip your laptop back over again, and then the motherboard can be removed. Alright, now remove the screws right here and the 3 screws right here. Now remove the fan connector right here. And then the fan assembly can be removed. And that is how you get to the CPU, thermal paste and CPU cooler of your HP Pavillion G6 1350 series laptop. Now if you want to put your laptop back together again, follow all of these steps but in reverse order. And with that, thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!